Good morning. Testing, testing. It is a beautiful Sunday morning. I do have an apology to some people. They were probably waiting. Some of my followers. I love all of you. So we lost connection with our internet for a little bit. We had some downtime, unfortunate, that did not want to be done, but it was done. So just give us a minute or two. We are getting our stuff together. If you could hit the like button, get the algorithm moving. We have some big deals. Big deals and wheeling and dealing to get going on this wonderful Sunday morning. Wall Street, Pete, Sicto, and Crypto. Have a seat. I thought I'd let you know. Without further ado, here we are. Wall Street, Pete. And you already know, Sicto in crypto. Please hit that like, subscribe. Good morning. Good morning, Andrew. Good morning, Raphael. Good morning, everybody, as it is a wonderful morning. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Wall Street Pete, take a seat. Studios. Ooh, doo-doo-doo-doo. Bow, wow, 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 wow. Get excited. Let's start the show. What do I want to talk about immediately this morning? I'm excited. You're invited. And let's go right into crypto. Pay attention. Yesterday, relevant Elon Musk. Ladies and gentlemen, Apple set to announce $2.5 billion purchase of Bitcoin on Monday, multiple sources. What's up, champ? Thank you for some wonderful news. He's helped to the pack wolf of Wall Street over there, my big guy, TKO Fitness. And if you want to get TKO'd up, check my man TKO Fitness over at that boxing gym he has. He'll bust your ass. You won't even be able to handle it. I know I can't handle it. I'm excited for it, but I can't handle it. There's a lot of crypto news, and if you like crypto news every day, if you like some TA mixed with it, you came to the right place. A little bit of music, a little bit of action, satisfaction. Keep calm. Fuck Elon. That's hilarious. Never seen that. Send $1 billion, and I'll send you back 10. Yes, you can kiss my ass. Limited time offer. That is a bunch of bullshit right there. There you go with the bullshit hack stuff. Right? People like the scams do. That's funny. He was probably a joke. Long story short, Apple, big news, huge news. More news as we go. Want to talk about who's bigger? Is it Ethereum? Is it Cardano? Well, bullish news a couple days ago. It's about 24 hours, 23 to be exact. Bullish crypto exchange prepares to launch and go public on the NYSE. Yes, you heard right. Yes. So, bullish news to me. No pun intended, bullish plans to launch a revolutionary regulated cryptocurrency exchange that offers deep, predictable liquidity for investors to generate yield from their digital assets. More bullish news. Happy Sunday. Now, this is part of the talk we get into, right? This is what we're here for. This is the title. Ethereum's 2.0 upgrades aren't the game changer. That could bring more users. Not looking too sexy, Rexy for me. Ethereum, we may be breaking up after the 2.0 comes out. I'm not 100% sure, but we're going to wait till we get there. Right now, Ethereum, I still love you, honey. It still is what it is. We ain't doing I do. It is what it is, right? Long story short, the major problems. Ethereum's currently runs on the proof of work, pow, mother bang, chow, wow, chicken boom, right? I always say chicken boom, pow. System that enables only 15 transactions per second. That sounds amazing, but it's really not. In the blockchain, when you start getting bigger, double that of the Bitcoin BTC blockchain, and it is widely considered. It isn't widely considered as impractical for a building of any expansive decentralized finance. It's a big deal. Right now, they're trying to say if it gets bigger, it may fail. There it is. Ethereum-based decentralized exchanges, DEXs, fail due to complications such as insufficient gas prices. So it's going to basically, as a result, the gas fees will incredibly be higher on Ethereum because so few transactions can be processed per second. I mean, that's the big key here. So when I go over to the Cardano, and I'm like, oh, okay, well, let's just do the fundamentals. We're not even doing technical analysis. We're just doing the breakdown. This is the breakdown. Cardano's Catalyst Circle will improve its governance model. July 9th, very good news, right? 2 days ago, we're excited. Then we got July 2nd, they're talking Cardano ADA becomes the latest addition to Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund. Charles Hoskinson to give everyone some news. And hit that like and subscribe because we're going on a ride. We're going to the moon. We're going soon. And we're going to be doing a little bit of TA at the end of this video. A little bit of some help here, where we think we're going, where we are at, and what's next. Buy the rumors, sell the news. Anybody ever hear buy the rumors, sell the news? Well, buy the rumors, sell the news. Apple's going to buy Bitcoin. Well, what do you think is going to happen to Bitcoin today? 33.8 right now. That's amazing. Pay attention to the network. Cardano deploys first simple smart contracts on Alonzo Blue testnet. This has me interested, okay? And this is 4 weeks ago. This is a big deal. Alonzo is going to do, look what it did. Look what it did to the price as soon as Alonzo pops through. It's like, oh, buy the rumor, sell the news. ADA moves with the general market sentiment undecided with no clear direction. However, the bullish case for Cardano revolves around the deployment of its smart contract capabilities. That was a big deal. So if you were to ask me, crypto news, this is funny, this is worth it. This guy makes his side money selling dick pics, NFTs. This is real. You don't believe it? It's fucking hilarious. Honestly impressive to make money selling dick pics in a world that's already oversaturated with dick pics. Very great comment. Glazed Paninis, that's fucking hilarious. I thought it was genius, someone said. Who are even in his... asking for a friend. I'm dying. So this is the stories. If you like these stories... Crypto.com becomes, before we get to the TA, becomes Matal's first licensed digital currency exchange to offer bank transfers. This is very bullish. This is very big news. By Jamie Redmond, thank you very much. 5 hours ago, there's where we used to work. I feel like this is what used to happen where I worked. I used to see these prices go across. It gives me that GBDB feelings. I like this. I may have this in my office set up all the time, so I can just constantly see this update. I'm serious. I love this. This is what I want. I'm going to have a couple TVs just specifically showing this so I can see the prices immediately at better refresh. We're going to do something like this. Litecoin looking good. If you don't know, Litecoin is at 135. That's on a steal. You're sleeping. One thing I want to do, because we have not done that, it's very important. We're going to do TA. I know a lot of people come in here for this. A lot of people are excited to get my TA. I get it. I just want you to understand we do a lot of things on here. It's not just TA all day. CoinMarketCap, something I like to speak of. Currently, the volume is gone. I just wanted to tell everyone, we were excited about 30 billion. Well, there's 10 billion gone in 2 days on the Bitcoin price. If you don't pay attention to volume, you're going to get swallowed up like a itty-bitty piece of volume. Pun intended. So if I were to talk in the next couple of years, the part of this video was Cardano's going to be the guy. Cardano's the mano. Cardano's going to be the way to go. I do love Ethereum. Don't sell all your Ethereum. That's not what I said. Ethereum's got 15 billion. That's scary. We're at 22. That did not take a $10 billion move. If you do the math, it is 7. So we were 22 billion last I checked. About 30 billion, maybe 23, so maybe an 8 billion difference versus a 10. It's still 2 billion difference. The drop in Bitcoin was 2 billion more. So the volume came out 2 billion more out of there. Binance looking to hit the 2 billion mark. We did not. We're almost down. So it is what it is in the volume. The prices are reflecting not as bad. So we talked about everything I wanted to talk about. Cardano strong. Thanks to my man TKO Fitness. TikTok. I wanted to talk about this, did not get to. I'm sorry, we had no internet. We were screwed up, but now we're here live. That's all that matters. Crypto has ads. Crypto ads now banned on TikTok says goodbye to the safe shit pumps, hopefully. Now, you'll never be able to stop that, but the truth is a lot of people were getting hurt. A lot of people were getting smashed up. A lot of big news. A lot of big things. Ooh, look at those sexy legs over there. Crypto in crypto, baby. If you want to learn how to make crypto in crypto, if you like this crypto news every day to you, hit the like, subscribe, because we're going on a ride and we're going to the moon. Jordan, what's up, my brother? I swear you make me hungry every time you come on, but I am always hungry because I fast. What's going on? This is the weekly chart of the Bitcoin price. Down here, relative strength index, one of my favorites. What Wall Street looks for, one of my tidbits here. And if you know me by now, you do know that I always pay attention, definitely to mention, in this range of my RSI. Average deviation points right here on the bottom. I have an observation. One observation, if you see the dot, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 observations on the relative strength index chart. If I did want to do the average deviation, which is the historical volatility, it is an average of the moving average, and it's a big deal. Something we may teach one day. I don't know. I don't have time. It's really difficult. But the 70-30 price for the RSI is important. If you look at the weekly here, let's get rid of this now because we were low. We were pretty low. I was trying to show you there. Let's look at the weekly. We have not looked at the weekly in a long time. We've not looked at anything like that. As Alex would say, Alex, we're driving. We're getting in the Flintstone car. Meet the Flintstones, have a yabba dabba do good time. Wall Street, no more 9 to 5 a job 'cause of this. Get your wheels ready and steady and forgetty because we're going steady here. I'm looking at this, and this is just a breakdown of what Bitcoin's done. Look at the price, look at the time, look at the dates. We talk about all. Everyone's miserable as AF. Oh, we just lost connection. Son of a bitch. All right. I need somebody to comment for me, please. Are we still here? Testing. We're just about to go through into this, and this happens. It's adversity. It happens. Are we back, ladies and gentlemen? He said, what happened? Son of a bitch. Well, that's what YouTube does. I got back. Thank you. This is what happens. I need to make more money so I can get a better connection, right? Make fun of me. You got that Walmart connection. I guess I do. I don't know what's going on. Shoot, I wish I knew we were talking about here. Well, I was doing it for Alex. Pay attention, definitely, to mention here. I'm telling you, somebody's trying to F with me. Somebody wants me to screw up, and we're not. We go live for you. This is what we do. If you pay attention, definitely pay attention to this price here down below. It's nothing significant. It's just where I'm showing you. The lines are off on my support levels and of that nature. It's not correct, but it's just a little number where I'm showing you 32.8. Like I said, it's nothing substantial. Now, the 39.3, that's a real number. Now, pay attention to that. This is the Bitcoin price. This is the weekly. Well, it works the same way here. We're down on our plane. We're falling. The plane, the sky is falling. Remember that guy, the plane, coming through. And my mother loved it. That's the only reason why I'm saying it. My mother used to love that show, Little Small Man. He used to scream the plane. We may get a dip. I'm not. Now, listen, the cutoff is the 42. So wherever that 42, come down right there. So the 42 is here. This is a sloppy, messy hose. This is a mess. Let me fix this. So the 39.3, if you see across here, this is the problem. This is the number. This is everything. Okay? Understand what I'm getting at? We're doing our orange resistance. We're doing our it's kind of support level. That's not the real support level. Let's get real. It's just a little little BS thing here. This is the weekly now. So cut me some slack. The weekly here. Now, if you look at this price is a big deal. Now, we need this next weekly green candle as you look in 9 hours. 9.5 hours, ladies and gentlemen. 9.5 hours. We will be receiving something along, and I'm sorry, I hurt myself again. I'm a mess. Something happened. I was doing something as usual. I'm trying to stretch it out. But we're going to talk about Polkadot. Polkadot's a big deal. We got to finish talking about this technical analysis on this Bitcoin because what happened here, and I want to show you where I got this for a reason, right there, and boom, there. Okay, now, if you pay attention to that, as we set up our little crosses here of what we're doing on our trends, we broke through a little bit. We can send the EMA out shortly. I just want to do this. I'm screwed up right now because I did not expect to lose basically connection again. I'm really worried because we were out for a little bit. So here's the wheels of this Bitcoin moving. The plane's coming down. As I said, we're breaking through the downward slope. The downward trend is your friend. So this red slope, this red trend is your friend. But remember the big, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to make the downward trend 2. See, it's 2. Okay. And now we're going to keep the green slope up 4. Why? Because we're still bullish. The time we hit down here on this price, the second we hit down here in this area, which I'm trying to explain to you, that's when we are in a bearish world. I'll see you in 4-year trend, the 4-year cycle, and we're fucked. That's basically what my news is for everyone today. But when you say that Apple's going to buy 2.5 billion news. That's all it is considered. That's what I want you to pay attention to. If we consider to go down through there on the weeklies, the next couple weeks or so, I would be concerned. That would be something to worry about, the downward sloping trend. If we're going to at least ride a downward sloping trend, we need to ride the top of it. You see where I'm at? And then this would be the last fall, testing there again somewhere, and then up. So that's my ultimate goal, break through the 42.2. So there you go. That's kind of the price level I would expect. But I think if we test up there again, it would be the last test. I'm not sure yet. The volume's down. So what's going to happen in the immediate future? I see a fall first. So let's just say right now, before we trend this action, even though I'm getting this, boom, shaka, laka, what's up? We could get that fall before we get that up. You see that? That could be a definite different kind of path. Now I want to get rid of all this. So tell everybody. So to stay above this candle, this next weekly candle is so important. We have to finish. So I will see all of you. And this is a promise. This is not a maybe. This is not a okay. I promise. We give you the crypto news here. You get it here first. Wall Street. You need to trade in this market. You need patience. 2, you need knowledge. 3, you need testicles. You need to trade this market. So if you're hodling, you can hodl. If you're trading on leverage, experienced traders only. Wall Street, Pete, Sicto, Crypto. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. Sunny day. I'm having a better day. I got to mow the lawn. I got to work out. I got to do all the things that an average man does, right? We're going to the moon soon. We're going together no matter what the weather. Keep your head up. Keep your chin up. You're going to get knocked down. You better get up. You may have a frown. It's okay. But if you don't get up, that's when you're fucked up. Wall Street, Pete, Sicto, and Crypto. I've been there. DMX style.